Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at the Bitcoin market. It's been pretty strong during the session here on Tuesday as we are peaking above the $38,000 level again. This is an area that has been pretty important over the last couple of weeks, and now that we're closing towards the top of the range for the day, it does suggest that we're starting to chip away at some of that pretty significant resistance. When you look at the weekly chart, I think it's pretty clear that this has been a buy on the dip scenario for at least 3 weeks, probably longer than that. $40,000 above would be my target, maybe even as high as the top of that candlestick, 40,100 in the short term. That being said, I'd love to see a pullback. I stated yesterday that I thought 35,000 would be a very interesting area to get involved. We may not get that opportunity. So 38,300. I'm going to go ahead and start adding to a position. Really, at this point, looks like we're working off some froth, and that does make a certain amount of sense because we shot straight up in the air. Take a little time to kind of digest some of those gains before we make our next move. Generally, consolidation like this does lead to more upward momentum. Consolidation leads to continuation is the actual expression. Keep an eye on interest rates in America. If they continue to drop, that's going to help Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin was a way to get away from fiat printing. Well, the central banks stopped printing, and you can see what happened to Bitcoin. So it all ties together quite nicely. Short-term dips, again, buying opportunities, 35,000 would be an ideal entry point. That's assuming you even get that opportunity. Furthermore, pay attention to the US and the US dollar index. If the dollar starts to fall even further, that's going to only exacerbate the rally in Bitcoin, which looks pretty good at the moment.